Letters from God, Letter 1, I am God.
Hello, my dear child. Today I am happy because you are paying attention to my words. What I have to say to you is of deep importance, so please pay attention. There are many people who do not believe in me, while there are others who claim to believe but live as if I do not exist. There are also many sincere people who have never heard of me and therefore do not believe yet. In fact, they need people to respond to my call to bear witness. If they receive a solid and true testimony, they will surely become believers. Through this letter, I want you to get to know me better. I will start by telling you that I am the Lord, your God, who liberated the people of Israel from slavery in Egypt, and can free anyone who is enslaved by sin and wants to be free. Exodus 22, John 3:15. I also want to tell you that there is one God and Father of all, who is above all. Ephesians 4:6. That God is me, my child. My nature is spiritual. If you wish to worship me, do it in spirit and in truth. John 4:24. Just as I care about the smaller issues surrounding your life, I also care about the bigger ones, the ones that frighten and torment you. If you are suffering, wait on me with patience. I will incline to hear you and answer your prayers. I will also bring you up out of the pit of destruction, out of the mud, and set your feet upon a rock, making your steps secure. Psalm 41:3. Listen, my dear child. I, the Father, with the Son and the Holy Spirit, are united in the same purpose, each one with their function. Matthew 28:19. The three of us are one. In this way, my dear, I have some characteristics that will facilitate your understanding of me. I know it's not always easy to understand me, but keep in mind that I am spirit, and I rejoice greatly when you worship me in spirit and in truth. John 4:24. I am also eternal and dwell in eternity in a holy place, but I am also in the humble heart, and I give it life. Isaiah 57:15. Be assured that I do not change. I am kind and perfect. There is no change in me, nor shadow of turning. James 1:17, Matthew 5:48. I am wise. 1 Corinthians 1:24. I am holy and powerful in holiness. Exodus 15:11. I dislike lies, which is why I am the very truth. I am a living God and an eternal King. Jeremiah 10:10. Despite being just and perfect, I am also full of mercy, which endures forever, and I am also abundant in grace. Psalm 86:15. I like to reveal myself through the beautiful nature that surrounds the world. That's why it is said that the heavens declare the glory of God, and the sky above proclaims his handiwork. Psalm 19:1. I primarily revealed myself through my Son, Jesus Christ, who is the way, the truth, and the life, and no one can come to me except through him. John 14:6. Many, realizing they are in danger, become desperate. This happens because they do not know that I am their refuge, their strength, and their help in times of trouble. Psalm 46:1. I protect you because I can see you from afar. I need you to know that with everlasting love I have loved you. Therefore I have continued my faithfulness to you. Jeremiah 31:3. I am a merciful Father and a God of comfort. 2 Corinthians 1:3. I know exactly what you lack, and I will satisfy all your needs according to the riches of my glory in Christ Jesus. Philippians 4:19. Knowing me completely is impossible because I am infinite and eternal. But through these words you are reading, I believe you have at least been able to understand who I am to some extent. I hope you grow spiritually and seek me every day. Be assured that all other things will be added to your life. Matthew 6:33. Respect my name, do not misuse it. Exodus 27. Obey my will because it is much better to listen to me and obey me than to follow the ways of others or even your own ways. Acts 5:29. Love me truly, with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your understanding. Matthew 22:37. And today, have a blessed day by my side. But before you leave the house, I eagerly await your letter. With eternal love, your God.